With three-way lunge, you want to make sure you have plenty of space. We're going to move in all three directions. So first we're going to start with a side lunge. When you step into the side lunge, you want to make sure your heel is on the floor and you sit back into your seat. Then you're going to do a curtsy lunge and then a forward lunge. Here in a slow motion view, you can see that if you have a tight hamstring, your toe can come up. You go to the curtsy, go to the front lunge, and you're going to repeat. If you have bad knees, your depth might not be as bad, but also make sure that your knee is directly above your ankle to allow your glutes to activate as much as you possibly can. However many reps your program calls for, you'll do that many reps on that one leg, and then you'll switch. If you have really strong legs, go ahead and hold a dumbbell in a goblet style up by your chest and do all the same motion just while holding the dumbbell near your chest. You also will want to have a little bit better balance as you can't use your arms to balance with the dumbbell, and then move through the motion. But don't go so fast that you lose your balance. Really concentrate on activating your glutes and keeping your heel on the floor in all possible positions.